Hey guys, listen, I've noticed that there's a couple things where maybe a text box goes missing. And right now I'm looking at Everett's time Google slide presentation that he turned back in. And so I'm going to use this to show you how you could easily put a text box back in. Now, what I really like is if you look down here, Everett, I'm going to hide this, has written in his times because for some reason the text box has gone missing. Maybe when you click on it and you hit delete to get rid of that question mark, it just takes the whole box away. If that is, here's what you can do. Click right here on any one that you want. And if you notice, hopefully the text box comes up. You can click on the text box itself, okay, like I did. And here's the key. You're going to use some keyboard shortcuts. Hit ctrl-c. Remember, that makes a copy of it. Then I'm just going to kind of click off, or it could be right on top of it. And then I'm going to click ctrl-v. Remember, that's going to paste a new one, or it should. There it goes. So you see there's two here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that box and hold, and then I'm going to drag with my other finger. I'm on my Chromebook, much like yours. And there you go. So now you've created another text box. So then I can come in here. I can click on it, delete, and I'm just going to hit backspace until it's gone. And I see that he put down here 709. So I'm going to put in here 709. And he is absolutely correct on that time. I'm going to do the same thing with the other. Hopefully that helps you guys add in a text box if you need it. So go ahead and use this video to help you out. Love you.